As the holiday season approaches, SM City Cabanatuan unwraps its grand Christmas centerpiece. 25 intricately designed Christmas trees ranging from 15 to 35 feet tall create a forest of sparkling delights. The crowning glory is a colossal 35-foot Santa Claus, and under the creative direction of Mr. Marvin Mauro Magtoto, Assistant Mall Operations Manager, the centerpiece features an impressive array of festive attractions.
Unang-una po, syempre nagpapasalamat kami sa pagdalo, sa pagsama niyo po sa amin ngayong hapon. It's not the regular launch na ginagawa natin yearly. Gaya po nung nangyari last week, in consideration syempre din sa bagyo, diba? Mga nangyayari sa labas. Dito naman tayo, nagkaroon tayo ng safety launch lang po. And inuloy pa rin natin yung grand centerpiece launch ng SM City Cabanatuan para syempre makapagbigay pa rin ng saya, ng